milk. It's a white liquid that tastes a little sweet. But can we change it into plastic? I can do a physical change on my milk fairly easily by pouring it between different containers. The milk is still milk. It still has the same properties of milk. This is a physical change. A chemical change will be a change in the properties of that milk. Let's have a go at making a chemical change. Heat on milk in, dip the orca, give it a bit of a stir, soften the lemon, squeeze the lemon, add the lemon to the milk, give it a stir until it gets a little bit chunky. Go into the radiator, sieve your solution, spooning helps. Now it should be like cream, give it a try, dry it out, give it a squish, put it in the mould and wait for a couple of days. A chemical change has occurred, making a new substance with new properties.